ELSA, for over 25 years, is quality, reliability and experience in the field of portable machine tools. ELSA was founded in 1997, a family-run company dedicated to the production of precision portable machine tools that will soon become a reference point for the national and international market. In 2001, ELSA arrives in Australia, taking on an increasingly global dimension, and thanks to the unparalleled quality of its machines, it will also conquer Latin America, North Europe and the Middle East. ELSA is a pioneer in the field of portable machine tools. We've always offered our customers the best solutions in terms of production and technology, evolving increasingly towards innovative solutions. ELSA's equipment is designed, developed and built with the best materials in its headquarters in South Italy, a building of about 2,000 square meters equipped with the most advanced technologies. The company's constant attention to quality standards is demonstrated by a wide range of certifications. The Super Combinata series, thanks to the extra kits and accessories, is able to expand its functionality to external boring work, orthogonal facing, creation of Sieger seats and threading. It's able to process with high precision and versatility of use directly on site, minimizing transport costs and downtime. ELSA's Super Combinata portable line boring machines have been successfully used for years in various industrial sectors. ELSA is a worldwide recognized brand as synonymous with quality and reliability. 97% of its production is destined for export to more than 100 countries, with B2B, B2C and B2G relations managed by a multilingual sales staff. Moreover, the sales network is well established, thanks to solid partnerships established over the years with the main brands. ELSA shapes the future by focusing on sustainable innovation and establishing partnerships that foster a shared process of growth. ELSA works in a fair and transparent way towards all stakeholders to build relationships based on respect, trust and competence. ELSA, for over 25 years, is quality, reliability and experience from Italy to the world.